would say good morning, but it's actually late afternoon. Welcome to my new adventure. Yes, I am in my RV. This is my Leprechaun. I am embarking on my next adventure, which is going to Alaska. Yep, I know, I was just there on the cruise, right? But I wanted to drive it because driving is the real flex. And so this is my RV. I love my RV. It's a little Leprechaun. And I am in Idaho currently. It's only about 3 hours from my house. I just wanted to get a few miles under my belt. So I'm at a Harvest Host site waiting for the owners to show up. And here we go, another adventure. Here is the morning coffee routine. Get some water boiling and do a little pour over. Look at that crema on top. Oh, it's just beautiful. That is a thing of beauty. First cup of the day. The reality of RV travel. Here I am in Montana at my second Harvest Host site, and it's gorgeous here. Here's what I want to say. If you are going to RV, just know that maintenance is required. There's so much you have to do to keep your RV going. There's small repairs that just have to be done. For me to get ready for this Alaska trip, I changed the oil in the generator, put in a new air filter, replaced a vent, replaced the house battery in the chassis, not the house battery, but the battery in the chassis. Lots of little things, right? I had a mass sensor replaced. I had the spark plugs replaced. And then yesterday as I was leaving, my check engine light came on. And after testing and discovering that it was a misfire in the number 3 cylinder, I knew at least what I needed to have it fixed. I got on the road anyway because the guy couldn't help me there. Anyway, they had turned off the check engine light, and it stayed off all the way to Idaho, but it came on again this morning. So I drove up to Idaho Falls and got a new coil and called around, and miracle of miracles, Eagle RV Service in Idaho Falls, they took pity on me. They showed me compassion, and they said, come on in, we will fix this for you. And wow, I can't tell you how grateful I am that these guys did this for me, because they're backed up till July 24th. And there are other people with emergencies as well, but anyway, I got that taken care of and got on my way. But the point is, RV travel takes constant attention. It's not like cars where you can, drive them for a long time and nothing happens. You have to pay attention all the time. So now I am here at this beautiful setting, on the road again. Everything seems to be working fine, but wow, what a rocky start to my trip. Okay, well, onward we go. This is the madness of my life right now. The water pump went out, and I've had to tear the entire bed apart to get in under here to get the water pump replaced. And water is everywhere. It is the 3rd day of my trip, and this is chaos. But thank God Bish's is doing this for me. All right, the chaos is over. I got the water pump installed. I got the RV put back together, the beds put back together. I actually had to go to a laundromat for the very first time and and do all the towels and rugs and everything because they were just too wet and nasty. And can't believe how expensive laundromats are. Holy smokes. Had I known, I probably could have just gone and bought more for that price. Anyway, end of day 3, another beautiful Harvest Host site. And this time I'm in Kalispell, Montana, and tomorrow feels like my real trip begins. I enter Canada and I am going to Radium Hot Springs, Kootenay National Park. Oh, anyway, Glacier. I wish I could have gone there again. Went there last year. Beautiful, beautiful national park. Anyway, that is all I have to say about today's. I'm just glad it's over. Good morning. I am in Eureka, Montana. It is only a few miles from the Canadian border, and it's cute as a button, but I'm not going to stop and explore it because I want to get up to Radium Hot Springs. But crossing over the border into Canada does give me my tummy some anxiety. So obviously I can't film the border crossing, but just wanted to let you know what was going on. So here we go. This is the checkpoint. Very small. I'm in Rooseville. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that correctly, but there is a lineup. So we will wait in line and hopefully cross over into Canada in a little while. After 4.5 hours, I have made it to the Radium Hot Springs. And looking forward to a good long soak. It was a long drive day, but the van, or the RV, is doing great. Here is an overview, and this is the setting that it is in. And kind of looks like just a big old pool. Let's go check it out. Here it is, Radium Hot Springs. Yeah, it is just a big pool. I thought it would be more like Lava Hot Springs. Small, but nope, it's a pool. Gorgeous setting. Look at this. Wow. So, I am all ready. Just have to go put my stuff in the locker, but I had to show you what it was like. Yes, let's see what the temperature is like. Gotta try the foot. Woo! Now you've seen it. Oh yeah, it's nice warm. All right, let's go enjoy the hot springs. Yeah. Look at this place. Oh my God, this feels so good. That was exciting, wasn't it? This is definitely cooler down here. And we get crystal blue waters. Beautiful setting. I'd say the temperature is, gosh, 103. I don't even think it's 104. It's not even like hot tub. But it's lovely. You could probably stay in here for a long time. I could talk to people. I know. I'm just so dang shy in real life. Yeah, I can talk to this because I'm just not very good at small talk. I end up sounding like such a doofus. Oh, I just found such a nice hot spot. Ooh. There we go. There we go. That shot up. Okay, okay. So I guess you just have to wander around the pool to find the nice hot spots. Here we go. Okay, but that cold plunge. I shut the camera off. I went all the way down to my chest. And then I got immediately back out because seriously, it's ice water. It's glacial ice water. And now I'm back in the big pool and oh my God, my whole body is tingling. Like, it's the weirdest sensation. Anyway, if you come here, highly recommend doing that. After after a delightful afternoon at the hot springs, I am now here at my campground. My campsite is H8. It is full hookups, and this is the Red Streak Campground in Radium Hot Springs, and it is a lovely setting. And this ends day 4.